So from past couple of days, I was getting some questions about how to fill the keywords boxes, the 7 keyword boxes that Amazon allows. So I just thought of making this quick video explaining the basic and the main strategy that you need to follow while filling up those 7 keyword boxes. Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Dubey here. If you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you are interested in the KDP amazing videos that I put on this channel consistently. So yeah, without wasting time, let's get started. So I have talked about keyword uh, in like 2 videos. One is an English version and another was in Hindi version. I have also discussed the importance of keywords in titles and subtitles as well. So if you haven't watched those videos, I will suggest that pause this video and go watch those videos first, because if you're not able to understand those 2 or 3 videos, then probably you will get difficulty understanding this video. Okay, so yes, go ahead and watch it. Now, the 3 things that I'm gonna cover in this particular video is about the 7 keyword boxes strategy, that what is strategy I use and what mistakes I had done in the past and how I overcome it and what I do exactly. The second thing that I'm going to discuss is what do we put in the boxes? Do we put the words or do we put the phrases? Okay, and the third thing is I'm going to discuss is about the key description keywords. Very important. A lot of people get confused about putting keywords in description, and they spend a lot of time sitting in the front of the laptop thinking about what keywords should I use in the description. So I'm gonna prove that if it matters or not matters. If it doesn't matter, why not? I am gonna prove it in this video. So yeah, stay till the end of this video. So I'm gonna discuss this first part, that is the keyword boxes strategy. In the keyword video, if you have watched, I had discussed picking up the keywords on the basis of two criterias. criterias. The first criteria was the search results would be 1,000 or less, and the second was the 3 books of BSR less than 300,000. That was the criteria. Okay, based on those criteria, I have picked these 5 keywords over there, and I have just supposed these two uh, keywords as a title or subtitle. Okay, so for example, I have taken here gratitude journal is our main keyword. I'm just taking an example, that is the title, and our subtitle is gratitude journal for women 2022 with prompts. So keyword lies in our main keyword lies in the title, then the less important will lie in the subtitle, and the least important will lie in these 7 boxes. But overall, I will say all those are important, so do not skip that. Okay, so now we are done with our title and subtitle. I have just taken an example. Okay, so do not think much about subtitle and subtitle. I'm just focusing today on this part, that is the 7 keyword that we have to put in the boxes. So now gratitude journal is done. So what we are left with now? Gratitude journal is done. Gratitude journal we have already used, so I'm just differentiating them from the rest of the words. So now just take a look here and let me know that what rest words has been left here. Gratitude journal is gone. Yearly, day and night, one line a day, for couples, plus planner. Right? So I have just written these words here: day and night, one line a day, and so on. Once you have done the keyword research, you will pick that word, that is the main keyword, from your all the keywords that you have researched on, and you will be left with only the words that are not used in the title and the subtitle. Okay, now once you are done, these are the main keywords that you are going to use in the 7 KDP boxes. Wait, do not think that the video is over now. No, a lot of things are coming up, so stay tuned. If you're enjoying video till yet, go ahead and subscribe to it. Okay, so these are the words that you will put in the 7 keyword boxes. Now you are done. Okay, now next you can put in those 7 keyword boxes. Now you have to use your own logic here as well. For example, if I am using planner, a person can search for workbook as well. It is not important that person will only go for planners. They can look for notebooks, they can look for journals, they can look for workbook, right? So use your sense here and put the words that are relevant to the rest of the words that you are using. Okay, so with the planner and journal you can use the word workbook as well. Okay, now here I have used women, but it is not important that this is only for women. You can use it for men because it is a gratitude journal. You can use it for your grandpa, you can use it for your mom, you can gift it to your friends, you can gift it to your grandma, and so on. Okay, so what I do is I put all the common words that matches with these words that I have taken from the keywords, these words. Okay, so with the woman, I can use men, I can use grandpa, I can use grandma, and so on. Now the next word is yearly. Yearly, okay, yearly gratitude journal, but it can be used daily as well, right? It can be used weekly as well. It can be used monthly as well. A person is not going to use it for just yearly. It can be used daily. So these are the common words that can go with the yearly word. Use your sense and use those words which matches the frequency of the used word over here. Okay, similarly day and night you can use evening. I have not written here, here it is. Here I can write evening, morning, you know, so you can use that as well. Planner I have already. Couples, you can use it for like uh, here it is couples, but you can use it for uh, marriage. Gratitude journal for marriage, gratitude journal for daughter, gratitude journal for single woman, gratitude journal for single mom. Why not, right? So these are the words that you can use and you can just put it in those 7 keyword boxes that you get. What you do is, and it is not important that there are 7 boxes, so you will go ahead and you will only fill 7 words. No, you can use 50 characters in a single box. So what you have to do is you just have to go ahead in the box, one box, day and night, then you will go ahead, copy it, and then you will just space it out and you will put it in a single box. It is not important that you will go ahead and put this one in one box, this one in second box, and so on. No. Okay, one box allows 50 characters, so you can use all of those characters because it is good for you. But do not do stuffing, do not use irrelevant things, because maybe you are just thinking that if I will put for like just some irrelevant thing over here like coloring book, coloring, gratitude journal, day and light coloring, if you think that okay now it is going to rank in the coloring section as well, maybe by your luck it is going to rank, or maybe by luck it is going to show up in the first page of the gratitude journal coloring or whatever it is. But do you think that any person who is looking for a gratitude journal is going to buy your coloring book, or anyone who is in the coloring niche is going to buy your gratitude journal? Does it make sense? No, it is not making any sense, right? So that's why I told you that always use your common sense over here while picking the words and using the related words over here, and then put it in the 7 keyword boxes over there. Okay, now now I have cleared out the first one. Now you might be thinking, why not I can just go ahead and why not I can put the all phrases over here, like the 5 phrases and 5 keyword boxes will be done. But if you have watched my that video where I have uh, discussed the rules of the Amazon, that what it allows, repeating a single word over and again is not going to make any sense. If you're going to write in the first box yearly gratitude journal, then in the second box you're going to write gratitude journal day and night, then in the third box you're going to write one line a day gratitude journal, and so on, you are repeating the gratitude journal unnecessary. It is just taking the space, and it is not making any sense, and we do not want to do that. That's why I say that only pick the words, do the keyword research first of all, then pick the words that are not getting repeated over and again. Okay, and just put it out in the boxes. You do not need to copy the whole sentence and put it over and again. Okay, this is not going to make any sense, and that is exactly at I was doing when I had started my journey. I know it sounds foolish, but yes, I have done it. But I realized it when I was just binge watching, I was learning and all those things. But then I realized it that it is not making any sense. I'm just repeating the things, and this is not going to get me anywhere because I'm losing chances of adding more relevant keywords instead of just repeating over and again. Okay, and then what I did it, when I realized it, I went ahead, like, and I just edited all the 7 keyword boxes, because KDP does not allow to edit subtitle and title, but it allows to edit your 7 KDP boxes, keyword boxes, and that is important. You can edit it. So I did it, and I can see that it is working much better than before. Okay, now the third part and the very important part that confuses people, what, like, description keywords matters, if yes or if not, with the explanation. So I'm gonna give you explanation. Okay, description keywords does not matter because Amazon does not care about the keywords that you have put in the description, because it may help you in the Google search. I'm not saying that it will not going to help you at all. It is going to help you in the Google search, but it is not going to help in the Amazon search results. Okay, so let me prove you why. I'm gonna give you a trick over here. So if you are here with me in this video, listening me out, taking the notes, go ahead and comment and let me know. Okay, so here is the trick. I'm gonna show you that the words that you have, that this person has over here in the description, is not giving any Amazon keyword strategy for this book. Let me show you how. What you will do is you will pick any book of your interest. I have just picked up this book, and then you will just scroll down, and then you will get to see where it is. Okay, just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Okay, here you will get to see ISBN 10 number. You will copy it, then you will go into another tab, you will paste it, and you will use plus sign. Okay, after using plus sign, we want to see that what keywords this person is using. So let's suppose I want to see if it is, if the this mindfulness keyword that they have used in their main title is working for them. So if I paste it over here, I will get to see that okay, this book is in here and the mindfulness is being used over here. So yeah, Amazon is working for this keyword for this book. Awesome. Now let's go and let's pick another word from the description, not from the main title, from the description, so that I can understand that if Amazon is giving any value to the description keywords or not. So let's suppose I want to pick mm, body. I want to see that if it is ranking for body or not. I will just go ahead and I will put body, and you will see no results for this book with the body. That means Amazon is not taking any care of this keyword that they have used in the description. This is the first thing that I have just discussed. That is our the third part. Now you can also check that if they are using the relevant keywords along with the main keywords. For example, they have used here guided journal. I would love to see if they have used workbook. See, they have used workbook. And now you get to understand why I was saying in this part that you can use a workbook in place of journal, because it is relevant to it. A lot of people think that A lot of people are not thinking the same way like the journal. They can think of workbooks as well, right? For example, you can write here gift ideas as well, very important, gift ideas. Okay, but it is not important that everyone is looking for only gift ideas. They can also type presents, because in the UK presents is the word that are frequently used in place of gift ideas. Okay, so I would love to see that if they are ranking for gifts. See, they are ranking for the word gifts. Why? Even though they haven't used any word in the title and the subtitle, and not even here. Okay, but you see they are still using this word. Why? Because it is relevant. That is the strategy that I just discussed with you guys over here. Now I hope you get to understand my point, right? Similarly, you can also just take a sneak, I will say, to your competitors, just doing this small hack that I'm using right now, and you can get to understand if they're using that particular words or not. I can also type here presence, and you will see they are not using it. So it is a golden opportunity for you to go ahead and use this word in your own book. Okay, so I hope this is making sense, and I hope this strategy is making sense to you. So if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section itself. Like, subscribe, share the videos, and I will see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.